Hi everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. I want to show you a little bit of how we preserve some of our dry goods. I have a shelf over here with some dry goods on it, and I just want to show you how we preserve some of our dry goods, like our rice, our beans, our flour, stuff like that. So today I'm just going to do a little bit of these kidney beans, so this video won't be that long. You have to have a food saver, and then you have to have one of these suctions. It's called a vacuum sealer kit. I got this on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll link it in the description below. But let's try to see how many of these beans we can fit in these jars. We like to preserve dry food this way, and I also have like big bulk barrels that we put stuff in. Well, that didn't go as planned, did it? But we like to preserve, different ways of keeping food in the house in case, you never know what could happen. I know a lot of people will cook their beans and then they will can them. I don't have a canner. I don't know how to use one. So either I'm water bath canning stuff, or I'm freezing stuff, or I am dry canning stuff. So once I learn how to use a canner and not be so afraid of it, maybe I will try that with some, like some pinto beans or something like that. Let's try that again. Typically, also, you want to put a silica pack in these. It is going to take out a lot of the moisture or any air that it has in there. But typically, I'll put a silica pack in there. Right now, I don't have any silica packs, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way. So what you'll do is you'll put your lid on. Get this over here. You put your lid on, and then you'll push this down on here, and you're going to hit seal on your well, no, you're not actually. You're going to hit vacuum seal, and it's going to suck out any air or anything that it has in there. While that's doing that, we'll go ahead and fill up another jar. Pour it down in your soup like you would regular beans, and then you can reseal it again. Take all of it in. I should stop here shortly on its own. Headspace on there. I do leave a little bit of headspace just in case. Stop that. See what's happening here. This is an older machine. Sometimes it acts funny. Okay, so should be good and sealed. We'll pop that open, and that releases the suction for this. And you can pick it up and swing it around. Be careful you don't drop it, but it is completely sealed. And you can either put your ring back on, or you can leave your ring off. Typically, I put my rings back on. I don't have nowhere to store them, so they might as well just go on the jar. And let's do this one. I'll close that off again. And let's hit just the seal button. I just want to see what it does. I want to see if it makes any kind of a difference. I don't think it will. But okay, supposedly it's done, right? We're gonna check it. See, that one didn't work. So you are gonna have to use the vacuum seal function. And my lid is stuck in there. Okay, well, hang on a second. Spike, you need to get out of my way. I'm pretty sure you can go back outside now. Come on. Red, come on. There we go. You can just pop that out. So now we're gonna put it back on the vacuum seal. Because technically that's what sucks everything out, guys. Little machine, I can tell you that. It's pretty loud. I haven't used this machine in a while. That's why I say it's a little bit finicky on what it does. Okay, let's pop it over to seal and see if it'll do it. I need to get me a different one of these. I have another one that I use just for my meat and stuff. This one was just because it had this accessory port right here for this little thing. Alright, so pop that open. See if it, there we go. There we go. Nice, good, and sealed. This is just another way to preserve food, guys, for us. And I'm going to show you all my other stuff that I have done over there while this one seals on its own. So over here I have a whole shelf of just preserved stuff. You know, you have the white beans, you have rice, there's pinto beans, I've got some applesauce sitting here. I have flour, there's lentil beans, more flour, and then down here we have some more rice. I do pasta every now and then. If there's a sale on pasta, I will grab a bunch of pasta and I will do pasta. Right there I've got my Himalayan salt. I got some more strawberries, more flour. So like I say, around here we do different things about preserving our dry goods also. I do have another video that I'll link up at the top. It says how we preserve our food and ways we do it in. But I just want to make a small one just so y'all can have an update on stuff that we do, guys. But yep, y'all stick around and we'll catch y'all next time.